Hello again, everybody. This is me, Ashana, and we have a factory job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, October 25, Wednesday. So this is a factory. And the job description for this is a quality control or equipment inspection. So we are looking for 2 people, and the company has a branches nationwide. So this has a bonus also, and the salary starts from 288,000 to 368,000 yen. So there is also housing available for this, so free of housing. So if you are willing to apply for this, again, the job description will be equipment inspector or a quality control for a factory. So this is scheduled for interview October 25. That will be Wednesday, tomorrow, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. You can call our office number if you are willing to apply at 03620688058. Thank you.